Hello and welcome to 101 TV, the #1 channel for latest news and celebrities gossip. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Vissarion. For those who don't know him, Vissarion is a spiritual leader of the Church of the Last Testament, a religious sect in northern Russia. He says he's the reincarnation of Jesus, and he somehow managed to get his 6,000 cult members to believe it. To be a member of his church, you have to renounce your former life and go and live in a wooden house in Siberia. Stop using money, stop drinking alcohol and smoking, and become a vegetarian. Believe in Vissarion, praise him, and accept that he is Jesus reincarnated. You cancel Xmas and instead celebrate the 14th January, which is the day Vissarion was born. Use his holy book that he wrote himself instead of the Bible. Unfortunately for him and his sect members, Russian special forces staged a special operation in his compound to detain him in the early hours of September 22nd. Vissarion, whose real name is Sergey Torop, was arrested together with his closest aide, Vadim Redkin. The Russian Investigative Committee said their sect was being probed for using psychological violence, causing some followers serious harm to their health. Vissarion is reported to have 2 wives with 6 children, having at one stage married a 19-year-old who had lived with him since the age of 7. He says God has sent him to earth to teach mankind about the evils of war and the havoc we were wreaking on the environment. He also claims that Mary, mother of Jesus, is his own mother. He has followers all over the world. We wish Vissarion good luck in his upcoming trial and hope it does not end on the cross like his previous reincarnation. Subscribe to our channel at 101 TV to receive notification when we upload new videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe.